If you receive this email from us, it means we ran into an issue applying for your Federal Employer Identification Number, other known as an FEIN, using the IRS's online application. The error, known as an Error 101, means the IRS has record of an FEIN already being associated under your Social Security number. Once we receive this error, we will email you letting you know of the issue we have run into, as well as fax over a copy of your SS4 that you signed when you enrolled with us over to the IRS as an application for a new FEIN for household employment tax purposes. Once the IRS receives the application, they will mail you a letter containing your new FEIN and all the information needed for the FEIN. You will usually receive the letter within 5 to 10 business days of the IRS receiving our application with your SS4. Once you receive the document, all that we ask is that you upload it to us for review so we can apply it to your account. If you are aware of your FEIN that you already have and you have the IRS letter from when you first applied for it, we can absolutely take that and review it the same way. However, if you do know your FEIN but do not have documentation of it, if you have a previous filing with the FEIN number listed with your full name, we can also review that letter as well. Once you have or have received the letter or tax filing that you want to upload, you will need to head over to your Homework Solutions account on our website. Once you are on the main dashboard, in the middle of your screen you will see the option labeled as Filing Cabinet. This is where you will upload any and all documents as well as see any and all documents that we upload for you. About midway down you will see the section labeled as Uploaded Documents. Right next to it you will see a button to attach a new file. If you click that, click the attachment you want to add, click the drop down for document type. You can click the one labeled Enrollment Forms, Identity and Account Verification. Once you click that, an orange button will appear right next to it that says Upload. Once you click that, you will be able to upload either document that you want us to see. Once you do that, our enrollment team will receive the notification that you have uploaded this document. They will review it and then apply it to your account as necessary.